This is Baseus Hail Rotation Countdown Timer Pro. Quite a mouthful name, so I'm going to just call it Baseus Digital Timer. I bought this timer from my local e-commerce store for the equivalent of $10 and I've been using it as my productivity tool for about 3 months now. I have a few things to say about this timer and it begs the question, is it accurate? Is it easy to use? Is there any issue? And perhaps should you get one? Let's get started. Baseus opted for a matte finish for the outer shell and a glossy surface for the 3.2 inches display. It looks gorgeous, low profile and elegant. I believe this timer can easily fit in any environment. I like the fact that it has a hidden bracket that can be adjusted up to 80 degrees, meaning that you can see the display when the timer is used on the table. At the back, there is a set of magnets to attach to the fridge door, wardrobe or any metal surface. It is very strong and I can assure you to never worry about dropping it. Over here we have a battery compartment and two switches, one for changing the volume and the other one for power. However, I find the power switch to be misleading. It says Eco, which I assume is a power saving mode like dimming the backlight to preserve power, but it is actually for turning off the timer. Definitely unusual. Baseus says the timer could be used for either counting up or counting down. Each has a limit of 99 minutes and 55 seconds. I found it to be sufficient for most cases. If you want to use it for study or work, that should be no problem. Overall, I have no complaints about the accuracy. Since it is digital, there is no wear and tear damage that could mess up with the counting. The outer ring is used to set a countdown timer. Rotating it to the right will increase the time, while going to the left will reduce it. Interestingly, the number accelerates if you rotate the knob continuously in a quick succession. This can be a bit tricky at first, but actually easy. I like the fact that it is accelerating, meaning that I could go from 0 to a big number like 70 minutes in just one rotation. Another thing that I want to mention is the knob will first change the second countdown. If you rotate it fast enough, it will start changing the minute countdown. Overall, the mechanism is easy to learn and easy to use. On their product page, the manufacturer states that it uses 3 AAA batteries, which is claimed that this configuration could last for 3 months. But my experience so far didn't really hold up with the claim. I never get it to come close to 3 months, I never even cracked 1 month. That's right, basically I have to replace the batteries almost every month, which is a waste of money and bad for the environment. I only use the timer for 2 or at most 3 times a day, each between 20 to 60 minutes, and I don't even use that every day, maybe just 4 to 5 days a week. I set the sound to off and I always turn off the timer right away once it's finished, so it doesn't have to blink infinitely, wasting energy doing nothing. I tried multiple different battery brands each time, but the result was somewhat the same. More expensive battery only gave me a few days extra compared to cheaper ones. With the price of a one-time use battery, it is going to be more expensive than the timer itself in about 6 months. Yeah, it doesn't sound good. And this is my biggest complaint. Finally, do I recommend this product? With all it offers, Baseus Digital Timers is easily a tool that will greatly impact how you manage your time, and it is a small price to pay for productivity and better time management. I think you should get this product only if you're willing to invest in rechargeable AAA batteries, because the single-use battery just isn't worth it. I wish it used a rechargeable battery as many gadgets do, but like everything in life, you can't have everything. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful. In any case, thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one. Bye guys!